WITSON.
So here today, just going to show you another install we've done. Quite a quick one this morning, about an hour it took to put in. All plug and play system. This one also fits the X-Trail, also a 2014-17 if I'm not wrong. Cameras or individual rear cameras. The good answer to that is yes. Now I'll just show you what it looks like. So there you go. Now this Chinese writing, we're going to work on it. Customer's waiting to go, as you can see. But what I will say about that one, because the resolution on the original cameras are pretty much only made for the little smaller screen like that. You'll find the resolution on these ones HD, so you're not going to get perfection in terms of how it looks, because as I say, the cameras are not made for the larger screen in the sense of resolution wise, so just bear that in mind anyway. Okay, so this is style 1 in our sales page. So we do style 2 and style 3. Style 1 is only a 4-core processor. We do advise going for 8-core. Only reason being is that as a lot of the applications are now getting a lot more advanced, they're going to need a lot more power into basically how they work. So you'll find with 4-core processors, a couple of years down the line, you might just start struggling with particular apps just as you need more power. But as Android Auto and Carplay, so just be mindful of that one. This is the home page, which you can change. If you don't like the home page, you can change by using this option here, which is theme. It is an online app, this one, so you would need an internet connection with your phone or a 4G SIM card going into the input. That you can do with this system, but you can change the theme on that one. You'll notice here now it'll basically say it's an online one there, so obviously we need to update it and stuff, so it's not going to work unless you put an internet connection. Navi, this is your Navi on the home page, so obviously you can set up any Navi icon application to that icon, should I say. So if you want Waze, Copilot, Google Maps, TomTom, whatever you want, you can download that onto the system and put it onto that homepage app there. Bluetooth, self-explanatory, so obviously you take your phone calls through that one there too. I haven't set the phone up just yet. You can stream your music through there too if you want, if you're not like into Spotify and nothing like that. Apps takes you into the back-end apps, which I'll show you in a short while. Radio, okay, FM AM radio comes standard on the radio. Let me just lower that down. 1 second. As you can see, I'm using the steering wheel controls, which also work with this. Again, we need to set this up, and also music. So if you want to put anything like albums, old-fashioned, you put albums or videos on a USB pen. The system comes with 2 USB cables. One tends to be good for like any external devices you want to put to it, like DAB radio, works in through USB. TPMS modules, which are tire pressure. What's the other one we use for? Oh, DVR cameras, from facing DVR cameras if you want to. Another one, you can put your pen drive in there and obviously put all your music and films on and stuff like that. Okay, let's go into the apps here. So this is the back-end applications here, which basically this is on the pre-programmed into the firmware, so obviously that's what's there when you get it. You can add more apps to it if you want. As I say, Play Store is built into it, which I'll show you in a moment. Some of these apps are on the home page anyway, which you don't need to go into. So theme and boot animation tends to be how you control your back-end menus and stuff in terms of all your skins and stuff. GPS radar, APK installer. So if you find like an app that's not on the Play Store, you can download it from websites like called APK Pure or apkmirror.com, put it on a USB pen and download it through there. Aux, if you want an aux in, so that's basically if you want to put anything like a TV module to it. Bluetooth, show Chrome, colour, there's pretty much a Google browser, DAB radio, customer hasn't gone for it today. EQ, so obviously if you want to change the amplifier settings on there, you can do that too. File manager just shows you the back end settings off for the storage. iGo, which is just Chinese map. Google Maps here is pre-installed. Play music. There's your Play Store. So obviously if you want to log into your Play Store, you were just doing some updates on the customer's card at the moment anyway. So if you want to do some download some maps and stuff like that, we're just doing some updates on this at the moment anyway, so I'll come back to that in a minute. So that's where you download the applications through. FM AM radio, steering wheel control setup. It's automatic on this car. This one here is a good one. This is your CarPlay Android Auto app. Again, we've not connected it today, but that's where you get your Android Auto through and your CarPlay. Let's have a look at this one. Videos, where you watch your videos on there. This is a DVR app, which is not installed today, and the YouTube app there, which obviously you can watch videos through that. So yeah, if you want to put Netflix on there, Amazon Prime and all that type of stuff, you can do that too. So I'll just bring it to an end today, guys. So obviously we keep it short. As I say, steering wheel controls work, all the cameras work, the original cameras work with it. All these buttons are original to the car, so they all stay there, they all still work, and obviously as you can see, just the original to the car. So yeah, hope you like the video.
WITSON